Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and as promised, I'm going to be drawing for our winners for April, May, and June. April will be first. I have already picked the video that had the most comments in April, and I have put the URL there, so let's see if we can fetch the comments. Let's see. No, okay, we don't want to allow duplicates, so let's see what it's going to pull in here. All right, it pulled in 141 comments. So now we're going to hit the little button right here that says pick the winner. Okay, Poppy Daniels 9855. She says, love a chunky journal. Thanks for sharing. So, Poppy, let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on, there you go. That, if this is you, the email will be below that you need to email me and give me your information, and I will send you a link to what you have won. Thank you so much for leaving a comment and watching our videos. So that is our April winner. Let me do a screenshot of that. Okay, let me go out. I'm going to go back to YouTube. And I'm going to go videos, and then I'm going to go down to 2 months ago, which was May. Well, not exactly 2 months, but, and let me find the one that's got the most comments. Let's see, that one right there looks like it's got the most comments. So stop it and then do share. I'm going to copy the link. Then we're going to go back here, and then I'm going to hopefully, well, if it will let me, let's just go back a screen and I can come back into it maybe. There we go. Now let's see if it'll let me paste it. There we go. So then we're going to fetch, continue, and it is uploading the comments. 200 and, well, it said 226, but it filters out any duplicate. Like if you just said the same thing twice in a row, it doesn't filter out if you make 4 or 5 different comments, as long as they're not the same comments. But if they're the same comment, like beautiful, 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 it will filter out all but one. But anyway, so let's pick a winner. Sorry about my finger being so dirty. I just got through doing a video for you. This is Wrangler Gal 41. Says, oh, how cool is this? So, Wrangler Gal 41. You are our May winner. The email will be below that you need to send your information to, letting me know that you've seen the video and that you won, and then I will send you back a link to what you have won. So you are our May winner. Now let me tell you, you winners have 48 hours from the time this video goes up. Not from the time you see it, but from the time I post it up. So please make sure that you contact me as soon as you see it. And if I don't email you right back, then I didn't see your email, because I check and I email right back. All right, so let's do, that was April, May. Let's do June now. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's find our June videos and find the one with the most comments. And I think I've already seen the one that's going to be. Make sure. Yep. It's going to be this one right here. The one in a million.
If you drink coffee first thing in the morning when you wake up, then stop what you're doing and listen up. In the next minute, I'm going to show you a simple 7-second...
Sorry. Let's... Okay. Copy the link. Then we're going to go back to our random picker, paste, fetch, continue, and 185 comments. Okay, let's pick a winner. Sharon Madsen 2958 said, love this digital. I love watching you. All right, Sharon, you are our June winner. So we've got April, May, and June winners all chosen. The link will be below, the email link that you need to send your information to. Make sure that you get a reply from me. There's 2 email addresses below. If you send it to one and you don't get a reply from me, then send it to the other. Just make sure that you get a reply back. If you don't, then try messaging me through Messenger or something, because if I get the email, I'm going to email you right back and let you know that I got it. So if you don't get a response from me within, say, 12 hours, then you need to try getting in touch with me another way. You guys have 48 hours from the time I post this up, and it will be posted up probably first thing in the morning or tonight. I'm not sure which. And then you've got 48 hours from then to contact me and let me know that you have won, and I will let you know what you have won. All right. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget, keep leaving your comments, because we will pick a winner for July. We just got through April, May, and June, and now coming up July, we will pick a winner. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for commenting, watching my videos, sending me gifts, everything that you do. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Bye-bye.